Well, hello there, welcome back to the channel, and if you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. In today's video, we're having another Valentine's Day decorate with me. This time, we're decorating the dining room. We're going to create a beautiful tablescape with simple elements, and after we finish decorating the dining room, I'm going to give you a tour of the living room. So let's go ahead and get started. We're starting by clearing everything off the dining table. All of the winter decor is coming down and I'm going to put it away. Then we're going to do a quick cleaning with the Swiffer to create a clean slate so we can start fresh. If you are wondering why I'm wearing a sweater even though I live in Florida, it's because it's actually been really cold here lately. We have had a few days where the temperatures drop into the low 20s. Can you believe it? I got this beautiful table runner at Amazon. It looks very cute. It has a little bows in pink, so let's see how it looks. I love how something so simple can instantly change the whole feel of the space. What do you think? I really like these pink bows. Moving on, now I'm using this rectangular cutting board as a base, and on top of it I'm placing this glass pitcher and I'm filling it with these gorgeous flowers from Home Goods. I absolutely love the pale pink color. It adds the perfect soft romantic touch to the table. Then I'm adding this cute little sign that I picked up at the dollar store back when we live in Massachusetts. And next I'm placing these heart-shaped donuts that I got from Home Goods a few years ago, also when we live in Massachusetts. I love mixing these pieces. It makes the decor feel extra special. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think. I really love how you don't need a lot of decor to create a sweet and simple table setting. Sometimes less is really more. Now we're moving on to decorating the hutch. I'm starting by dusting the top, and then I'm going to reuse this wicker basket with greenery that I already had. To give them a Valentine's touch, I'm adding these beautiful peonies that I picked up a few years ago. Next to the wicker basket, I'm going to use this set of dishes that are from my everyday china, and they are from the Better Homes and Gardens at Walmart. And also I'm adding two heart-shaped ramekins in red and pink for a subtle pop of color. And also I'm using this kitchen towel from Home Goods. Now that the dining room is all decorated for Valentine's Day, let's take a look at how everything came together. After that, I will show the living room where I added just a tiny Valentine touch and settled the frame TV with a Valentine's image. So I hope you enjoy it. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that if you are a new visitor and have not subscribed yet, you take some time to subscribe. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you in the next video.